Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Lightly sketch a 0 where the penguin's head will sit and a vertical 1 beneath it to suggest the torso. This gives instant proportions. Add a flipped 3 on one side to mark the wing and a small 7 or 2 for the beak placement. Use a soft pencil and sparse strokes so you can refine shapes. Once done, step back and check balance between the 0 and 1 because those simple numbers act as your structural scaffold. Now refine those numeric placeholders into natural penguin curves. Trace the 0 into a rounded head and connect it to the 1 by softening corners into a smooth neck. This explains how geometric numbers become anatomy. Mirror the wing number on the opposite side with a smaller 5 or 2 to create symmetry, then block in the white belly by contouring around the torso. Make sure to mark simple round eyes and a short triangular beak. Complete the drawing by inking the refined outlines and letting the ink dry. Once dry, erase the numeric guides so the penguin reads as an animal rather than digits. Add light shading under the belly and wings to imply volume and simple texture on the feet. If something looks wrong, make small corrective moves. Nudge the head left or right, shorten or lengthen the torso 1, or widen the wing 3. These tiny shifts fix balance quickly without redrawing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.